We are really excited to share this moment with you. We are here now about to witness, as you can probably hear already, the only original Jaguar Certified Prototype Engine of the XJ13 being brought back to life. Now this engine has not run since mid-2000, 2006, so it's been 18 years since this engine last run. It's a V12 4-cam, so let's go and see what it sounds like. Okay, so we've now just stepped out for interest of noise levels on the video, but so we're in the test cell here, where obviously we'll see the engine speeds, engine power, engine torque, everything is displayed in here as they make all the little adjustments. So it's been a great day just watching this engine come back to life after so many years, and we'll check back in with you soon so you can follow this amazing story of the true spirit of the XJ13.